Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the Gigabyte motherboard driver. Okay, so you can see this right hand side search button. So click on it. Then enter your model number B650 UDAC and then hit enter. Then click on name of data. Then guys click on support. After that select your operating system Windows 10 and 11, both installations process same. Audio driver, Realtek SD audio drivers. This is size and just click to download. You can see it is start downloading. It is completed. Just single click to open and double click to exe. Now this is extracting to your system. Then click on yes. Now this is, you can see this extract to your system to installation. Now this is installing. You can see it is automatically closed. This is installed. Then close it. Chipset extract AMD chipset driver. Just click to 71.95 and click on download. After click downloading, it will start downloading. So completed and just open it and double click to launch. Then click on yes. And then install and then close it. LAN driver, Realtek LAN, and click on download. You can see it will start downloading. So it is completed. Just open it. Then continue. Click on .exe. This is setup. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting. After that it is start then driver downloading, sorry, installing to your system. So it is closed in automatically, means this is installed. Okay, no need to done and like that. Bluetooth, so we can see BD means Bluetooth driver, so click to download. So it is done, and then open and double click to exe, and then click on yes. Now we can downloading and installing this drivers. Then close it, and then WLAN means Wi-Fi driver, and click to download. It will take two times some because 13 MB. Just open it and double click to exe, and then click to yes. Now totally extract, and then installing the Wi-Fi driver. And it is done, then close it. So this is BIOS and utility when other all driver installed. Another thing guys, this is Windows 10 and 11, the both installations process same, so no worry about it, any confusion about it. So Windows 10 and 11 installations process and method almost 100% same. You have to just click. Okay, okay guys, thank you.